Hey guys, let's talk about how enable notification on a Tapo C425. As you can see here, my camera is working and I'm testing for some time. And then when I come here to the notification, you see that I'm testing this for 2 hours and 5 minutes. And you see notification here, right? So every time there's some motion there, the camera starts doing the notification. If there's vehicle in front of the camera or also some motion, let me just show you here that I can do some motion in front of the camera and I get this alert, right? That's the notification. And to make this work, you just need to come here to the settings and take a look here on the notifications. You see, you come down and notification is on. Here you see that you can enable for different activity types. You see there's motion, person, pet, and vehicle detection, okay? Just make sure that you enable here for every activity type that you want, but don't forget to come to the detection menu, and from there you also need to enable the detection, okay? So here on the menu, once again here, detection, here on the top, you see that I have the entire zone set for detection, and I have motion detection on, person detection on, pet off, and vehicle on, all right? So for pet detection, it's not gonna work. So if I have a pet passing in front of the camera, it's not gonna alert me because it's off here, the detection is off. It's not going to detect pets, right? Even though if I come back here to the notification, I have here activity type pet, but it's not enabled back there on the motion detection menu, okay? So I can just disable here as well because it's not enabled there. So those are different things that you just need to be aware of. You see that's detecting motion all the time here. And let me just come back here to the menu. See here, activity notifications enable. Here is the activity type, the schedule. You need to check here if you have for always, for during the day from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., during the night from 8 p.m. to 8 a.m., or with a custom time. You see here, I can select the weekday, I can repeat, and also the time, okay? And let's just leave without saving, okay? You can enable also rich notification. That includes notification with the snapshots, if you want to do that. And something important as well, very, very important for iPhones. You just need to come here to the settings and just need to enable notification all the way down. You're just gonna look for apps, and here you can search for Tapo, or you can go down here and look for Tapo. And from here, just need to enable notification. See it? Come here and you toggle this allow notification. Otherwise, it's not gonna work. So be aware of this. And also just need to come here and make sure that you're not in do not disturb mode. If you're like this, you're not gonna get the notification, okay? Notification will be in the background. You can check that later, but you'll not see the notification popping up like you see right now. Then when you just bring this down here to see the notifications, you're gonna see them here, right? So if you wanna receive immediately, you just need to come here and turn off the do not disturb mode. Okay, so it's basically working. That's the way you can enable the notifications on a Tapo C425, and it works in the same way for other Tapo cameras. Okay, so I hope that helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give your thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.